Hi all. Hi guys.
Hi.
Did your SAS testing get over, Krisha?
Not yet.
Not yet. Naman, you have to submit the PDF, otherwise the homework is not accepted at all.
Which PDF?
Jeevan is Shri, I want your dad to fill the registration form. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll
Can
tell
you,
him.
yeah, remind him? I will send the registration form right away. You know what? But I need your dad's number. Wait. First, let me do that because that thing will go off. I want to take things parallelly. Let me see, Ma. Just give me 1 minute first. Let me finish that. So,
Okay.
1, 2, 4. Okay. How was the you didn't have access to the homework, right, Jeevanashri?
Yeah.
Yeah, that comes up only when he fills the registration form and takes care of all those things. You got it?
Yeah.
So, yeah, you will be able to access homework after he does everything. So, please remind him, Ma.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. 1 second. Uh, okay. 1 second. Yeah, Naman, I can't do that. Naman, if there is no PDF, there's no way for me to.
Wait, what PDF?
What PDF? In your homework, right? How will I know what work you did?
Oh,
You see,
okay.
there's no way for me to understand, right? Turning in work means showing work, showing details, and checking answers if you did or not.
Okay.
Okay, so that needs to be done. Make sense?
All right.
Otherwise, I will not know. Okay, that was the one thing that I had in my comments for your homework. Other than that, Jashwita, did you check your answers in the homework? Arya Sricharan, this is not the first or the second time, right? The same thing. I need to see work, right? If you just write answers, how will I really understand, Ma? How will I know what you did? You
Right.
see what I mean? So
Yeah.
it is, yeah, it is very difficult for me to understand how you arrived at your answers. I need to see what you did to get your answers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jashwita, did you understand and do?
Yeah.
You had some question marks?
Yes, I think I did.
Yeah, I saw that. So what are your questions? You should voice it out. Devansh, you had some questions?
Yes.
Yeah, so tell me what were your questions? We can go over that first and then I'll move on. Tell me.
My only question was on 27.
27. Definitely we'll do that first. Arya Sricharan, I did not. I was commenting this afternoon. I did not. Just now I posted your comments. For the others, I already did. Okay, let's go ahead. 27, is it?
Yeah.
You know what? I asked you to only do part 1, right?
No, it said part one
Part
and
A
part
and B.
two.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good, good, good.
Uh,
27. 27, huh?
yeah.
Sure. So this was the question. Let me bring it up. And Jashwita, be prepared with your questions, ma, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, I also have a question on one of the questions.
Absolutely. We'll discuss that first and then only we'll move on. Okay. So let me just admit somebody who's coming. Yeah, let's see this one. You're seeing my board, right, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's better. So this was the question he's asking. So let me solve for this. See, basically it is asking you to solve for an. Given Sn is equal to n by 2, a1 plus an. All these are just to make us feel afraid. Basically, it's very easy. What are they asking? You have to bring
Ma'am,
it to...
that's 25.
Sorry, ma. Okay. Do you want me to do that or you don't want me to do that?
You can if you want.
Yeah, let me finish that. Since I started, let me finish that. So, you just need to isolate this to one side. But you can't go into this unless you remove these. What you have to attack anything from the outside. Okay, this is being multiplied with this, right? So I cannot go to an now. So first I need to remove this n by 2 from this side. How to remove this n by 2? The best way is to multiply it with the reciprocal. Multiply it with the reciprocal. So this side becomes 2Sn by n will be equal to a1 plus an. It completely goes off, you see? You see? Now it's very easy to find out an. Subtract a1 on both sides. You get an equal to 2s1 by n minus a1. Make sense, guys? Did that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay, now let me bring up what Devansh wanted, okay? So, sorry Devansh if I copied the number incorrectly. 27 is what you want, ma?
Yeah, 27.
Okay, I will do that. So, yeah, 27 is a hard one. So, let's try this one. So, you are going to solve for RT. So, the given equation is this. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. You're all going to solve for RT. RT is down in the denominator. First, you need to bring it up. What do? This side has some sum, okay? This side has RT in the denominator. So, I'll entirely multiply by RT. If I do that, it is creating a mess, you see. Everything falls to one side, the other side is just one. It's so hard. I don't want to do that. Let's see what else I can do. Anyway, I'll have to bring RT up. That is there, okay? But let me bring it up later. First, let me find the LCM of this. What is the least common multiple? Suppose if I have 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. What is the least common multiple? 3 times 2, right? Like that, R1 times R2. Now, after you take the least common multiple as 6, so what you'll do, you'll multiply by 3, correct? Similarly, you'll multiply by R2, multiply by R2. This both numerator denominator, that becomes R2. Here, this side you'll multiply by R1, multiply by R1. That becomes R1. Any questions?
I don't get the part where you multiply.
Okay. You don't get the part where we multiply. Okay. See. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2, what do you do, Jashvita? 3 times 2 is your denominator, right? That's a common denominator, right? Because there's no common
Yes.
factor. So, here you multiply by 2, correct?
Yeah.
This side you multiply by 3, correct?
Yes.
So, your denominator is a common denominator, but the numerator becomes 2 plus 3, correct?
Yeah.
That's the same thing I do here. I multiply these two, write it down. But here I have only R1. I need R2. I multiply both by R2. Here you have R2. Multiply by R1. Multiply by R1. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So now 1 by RT will be equal to this. Any questions till now?
Wait, when you multiply R2 by R1, how does it get to R1?
You can show it on the board. Please feel free to write it out on the board. Show me. Naman, you're muted, Naman. You have to unmute and talk.
When you do that, why does it become R1?
Because this side has R2. Your common multiple is R1 times R2. What is missing? R1 is missing. So you multiply the numerator and denominator by R1. Does that make sense?
Not really.
Not really. Okay. Let's see. What are you doing here? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. What do you do? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. What do you do? You multiply 3 and 2, correct? They don't have common factors, right? That's what I did here. I multiplied R1 and R2. So basically, this was like this, right? right?
Yeah.
Now I multiplied R1 and R2. It's okay. It's very important that we understand this because this forms the foundation. You multiplied R1 and R2, wrote it down. I multiplied 3 and 2, wrote it down. Correct?
Yeah.
How do I make common denominators? 3 is in here. Out of the 3 times 2, 3 is in here. So what do I multiply the numerator and denominator of the first fraction?
2.
2. You got it. The same thing. This fraction has R1. What should I multiply it with? R2, R2. Correct?
Yeah.
Similarly, the next fraction has 2. So what will I multiply it with?
3.
So what will I multiply this with?
R1.
That's what I did. You got it?
Yeah, but how does R2 times R1 equal R1?
R2 times R1 is R1, R2.
What?
Where are you asking?
I'm asking, like, when you multiply R2 times R1, how does it end up becoming R1?
Where, meaning Naman, can you point it out on the board?
Like here. When you do that multiplication, how does it become R1?
It doesn't become R1 at all. See,
Well, that's what you wrote.
the numerator is multiplied only by 3. So 3 is only there. Similarly, numerator was 1 was multiplied by R1. So R1 you write it there. Okay.
Oh,
You see what I mean?
you
So
write the
here
numerator.
R2 by R1 R2 plus R1 by R1 R2, right?
Yeah.
So the common denominator I write it down. The numerator I write it with the common denominator as R2 plus R1. Make sense?
Oh, yeah.
So that will be equal to 1 by RT. Now you can just flip it. Flip on both sides. When you flip both sides, what happens? RT will be equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. That's it. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Arya, was it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. These are difficult fractions, guys. Okay. Doing now, we have a lot of time. It's good for you as well. Okay. Doing now is the best deal, is my thought. But let me know, guys. If it is too overwhelming, we need to see what to be done. Okay. Now, other questions. What questions did you all have?
Question 11.
Question 11. Okay, this one I'm going to try ask you to solve once and then I'm going to intervene. Okay, so this one I really want you all to try. There were some people who did not submit as well, so they can try as well. Solve for B. You are given this equation. V will be equal to 1 by 3 BH. Solve for B.
Miss Priya, I'm kind of confused how you cancel out the fraction.
Is my answer,
Yes, ma?
is my answer correct?
I'll check. Hey, for you, how was the homework, ma? Sareshta?
It was easy.
3V by H. Good job, ma. That's correct. Naman, not really. You are in a hurry. Shruti correct. Krishiv correct. Arya Sricharan, no. See, whatever is fair you have to do. Multiplying both sides by 3 shifts the 3 up on the left side. Nikita, are you able to do?
Yeah, I'm solving it right now.
Yeah. Naman, I really want you to retry. Devansh, correct. Naman, where are you not understanding? Tell me. Jashvita, correct, ma. You're getting it, right,
Oh,
Jashvita?
I got it.
Okay, no
Yes.
problem making mistakes. At the end of it, you grab everything here, use it at school. It doesn't matter if you make a mistake here. Hey, you have to rename. When you come to the class, I really want your name to be there. It cannot be your mom or dad. So today I will rename. Do you all want to rename your names properly with your names? Check what is your name appearing. Please rename yourself. It is so difficult for me. Otherwise, I'll start to call Divya. Arya, not Yes, Arya, that's perfectly right now. So, okay, when you multiply by 3 on both sides, this and this get cancelled. 3v equal to b times h. Now, divide by h. So, 3v by h equal to b. Did you all get it? This was the 11th question. Any other questions?
I have a question for 16.
16, I'm going to give it to you again. So that tells me how many of you really understood. Inian, I did not get your answer, you know. Inian, I did not get your answer. Did
Yes,
you send it to me, ma?
no, I was still working on it.
You are still working on it. Okay. 16 is a tough question. Let me see. Let me see, guys. This is one small subpart of algebra 1, guys. Okay. So if you don't understand, doesn't matter. I'll rework on it. Um, Go ahead. So the given expression is ax plus b equal to cx minus d. Solve for x. See, next week, can we have a small test on this? Quick test on this?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll try. Let's please nicely iron out this week. If you have questions, stop and ask. Jeevanashri, are you able to do, ma?
I don't understand how to do this one.
Oh, no problem. Can I give you a clue, Jeevanashri?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do one thing. This has x and this has x, right? Move them to one side. Move the rest of it to one side and take the x as common to both. Did that help you? Not really? If it's not,
really.
you have to say not really. Doesn't matter. Did it help or no?
Not really.
Not really. Okay, let me tell you. What I'm saying is subtract cx on both sides. Does it help you, ma?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Subtract cx on both sides so that x all moves to one side. All the terms with x moves to one side.
Can you check my answer?
Yeah, I am, ma. Just please hold on. Thank you. Oh, wow. Good job, Jashwita. Ah, Nikita. Not really, Nikita. Nikita, just go ahead and do it on the board. Help me out, ma. We'll iron out slowly. Can you just do it? Once if you do, right, you'll correct everything. Can you do it on the board for me, Nikita? Is that okay? Meaning sometimes I'm not getting where you're making that mistake. So I just want to help you. Can you do it? Yes, Reshta, that's right.
I can't draw, but I see where I
Okay.
left off.
No, you can tell me. I can write it out on the board as well. You want to retry by yourself? Fine.
Yeah, can I retry by
Chari,
myself?
okay, do. Arya, that's right, Arya. You understood and did it, Arya?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like you're getting a hang of it. So solving for a particular variable is a subpart, is a subtopic in algebra 1. Nikita, yeah, Nikita, yes, you got it right, Nikita. Let me write down your answer. Minus d minus b by a minus c, right, Nikita? Since it's messy to see, right, the numerator has minuses on both the terms, right? Can I take that minus out and say d plus b like this, Nikita?
Yeah.
Denominator, can I take that minus and say this is c minus a? I take that minus outside. When I take that minus outside, it becomes minus a plus c, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically I can cancel that off and say the other way of looking at it is change all the signs in the numerator, change all the signs in the denominator. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Naman, where is that multiplied by 2? Why did that multiply by 2 come?
Like a 2x. So
Ah,
I meant to divide by 2.
not really, Naman. Okay, so subtract cx on both sides. Naman, I'm doing it for you. Jeevanashi, I'm doing it for you. Ax minus cx plus b equal to minus d. Any questions still here? Jeevanashi, do you have any questions?
No.
Subtract b on both sides. I get ax minus cx equal to minus d minus b, correct? Now x is common to the two terms. Take x out. What will come inside? Jeevanashri, you can guide me. What will come inside?
A and C.
Correct. A and oh, you got it, lady. Okay. A minus C will come. You got it already, I think. So minus D minus B. So divide by A minus B. Krishiv, I didn't get your answers. X will be equal. Sorry, Siddharth. What was that? Siddharth, I didn't hear you. What was? No, you unmute. Slowly you talk fully and then mute because you're getting muted again and again. What is that?
I'm still typing my answer.
Oh, sure. But did you get the answer like this?
Yeah.
Or you should have gotten D plus B by C minus A is also fine.
Same. I was still like solving my answer.
Oh, so can I assume that you understood Krishiv and Siddharth?
Yeah, I got the D plus B.
Okay. Any other questions anybody has on this? The homework? No, not really. Inian, are you sending the answers?
My computer keeps on lagging. I had the answer and then it like deleted it.
I see. Okay, can I give you one more?
Yeah.
I have a question on number 12.
Absolutely, we'll do. See, this is the time to ask. Very nice. Thanks, guys. For if you come up with questions, I would be the happiest person to answer in the class. Okay, let's see. You had a question on number 12. Why don't we solve that? See, guys, those of you who would really like to solve and show, please send it in chat. I'll definitely watch the chat. Okay, whatsoever, I'll watch the chat. Okay. So I will try to respond as well. Okay, who has a question on this? Meaning, if you really don't understand, it's okay to listen. But at the same time, don't keep quiet. You are the loser if you keep quiet. What do you want me to do? Shall we solve it on the board? You have to solve for C. You have to isolate this term. I have to remove all the other terms. So subtract minus 32 on both sides. F minus 32 will be equal to 9 by 5C. Now, can Naman guide me what should be the next one? What should be the next step if I want to solve for C? It's okay to go wrong, Naman, please.
Divide by 9/5.
Divide by?
9/5.
Divide by 9/5 or multiply by 5 nines, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if I multiply by 5 9, the whole thing should be. So please use parenthesis. Okay, it's not just one. Everything is multiplied. So now, if you do that, C will be equal to 5 by 9 F minus 32. Any questions, guys?
Why do we multiply by 5 by 9?
Okay, good question. Let me go back. Why do we multiply by 5 by 9? Okay, I'm here. Now, I need to solve for C. C should come out separately. But C is so entangled with this 9 by 5. How do I remove that 9 by 5? That variable C, see what is the relationship it is having with 9 by 5. C is being multiplied by 9 by 5, correct? That is why I better divide by 9 by 5. If I divide, what is dividing by 9 by 5? Dividing by 9 by 5 is nothing but multiplying by 5 by 9.
5 by 9.
Jashita, did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay, see, 1 divided by 5 by 9 is the same as 1 multiplied by 9 by 5. Keep change flip.
I get it now.
Yeah. So that's why, meaning if you see something like this, multiply by the reciprocal, then that will go. You got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Any other questions? Guys, this is the time to ask. That's why if you, oh, yeah, you might want to look at the homework in the, okay, let me give you my questions now. Meaning, I just want you, meaning, let's take at least two topics to be studied before we start Algebra 1 in June. Before that, I really want you to be able to do those two topics well. Okay, so let's see. I'm not targeting for many, but at the same time, whatever we target, we have to finish. Let's see. I'll give you an easy one first, maybe. This is not easy. Yeah, this one is okay. Yeah, this one you do. First, let's solve an easy one. I really want you to feel comfortable about what, be proud of what you did. Let's see. All of you, please get the answer sent. Don't keep quiet. If you keep quiet, you're the loser in the class. Okay, it's okay to go wrong. Shout it out. Ishan, why no answers, Ishan? You know what? If you're not answering, you're into something else, Ishan. You know me, right? You know how it has happened earlier, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I really want you to answer in class. If you're not answering, that does not work at all to continue as well. Oh, excellent. That's correct, Naman. Arya, correct. Okay. If you have solved right, you don't have to wait. Okay. I really want you to keep proceeding. Okay. So let's try this out. If you have solved this, proceed with the next one. But please solve sequentially. Once you finish first, you can go to the second. Oh wow, Inian, you got it, Inian. Siddharth, nice. Jeevanashri, very nice. One request, don't change the small m to big M and big T to small t. That's all. Jashwita, no, that's incorrect. Can you redo? You made a mistake. I know what mistake you made. You just made the mistake. Sreshta, why in the world did it become minus? The denominator.
Oh, I meant to type plus.
Okay. Shruti, correct, ma. Nikita, send the answer, ma. Krishiv, I want your answer as well. Don't keep quiet, guys. You are losing if you don't send. You can just say, I didn't understand. Stop. We will rework on that.
I was just solving it.
Oh,
I
okay.
sent the
Okay,
answer.
speed. Yeah. You send the answer. Okay, thanks. Yes, ma, Nikita. Krishiv,
Yeah.
let's do it together. The first one. See, Krishiv, you took MS common. Did you take MS common here?
Yeah. So then it was like M parentheses G plus A.
Correct, ma. Till this you got it right. Then what should you do?
I subtracted A and
How
G.
would you no, wait. You have to solve for M. What is the relationship M has with the rest of it?
It's multiplied to it.
So what you should do?
Divide it.
Why did you you see what I mean?
Yeah.
So this should be like this, right? Got it?
Okay.
Okay, that's all. Go ahead. I don't
Miss
understand.
Priya, I don't really understand the
The
second
second
one.
one, that's what I'm hearing from the others too. You can message me, you can shout out, anything works. Okay, now let's see. Second one is a little hard, guys. That's the problem. Yeah, Devansh. The first one is correct. Okay, let me give you a clue. See, pulling out x is very hard. It's so entangled on the right side, right? Pulling the x out is so hard. We have to pull out the x somehow. But pulling the x is so hard because it's all messed up. It's too entangled inside. Okay, we can't even touch. So why don't we multiply by cx plus d on both sides? Why don't we multiply? First, remove the fraction. Let's remove the fraction. Just multiply by cx plus d on both sides. This side, it will become y times cx plus d. It's a big term, so use parenthesis. When you do that, your fractions disappear. Once your fractions
Oh, I think I
disappear,
understand it now.
yeah, once your fractions disappear, you can multiply the y inside and isolate the x's to one side. Group all the x's to one side after multiplying that y to inside. This is like an ice cream. These are members of a family. You serve the ice cream to the members of the family and then move all your x to one side. If it's not clear, you have to message me. I cannot understand anything. Then I'll definitely do it on the board. Nice try, Jeevanashri. I don't know. I will check, ma. I honestly don't know the answer. I'm checking your answer. You have to solve for x, right, ma? I don't know, guys. I'll check. I'll have to do it and check, I feel. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's correct. Jeevanashri, very nice. Are you following nicely?
Yeah.
Good work, even without doing the homework, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, Indian, correct.
I don't understand.
Say, Jashwita, you made some mistakes in between. Um, Not really, I feel, Siddharth. Because see, okay, Siddharth, all the x's should move to one side. When you look at your equation, some of the x's is strewn around on the right, on the left, everywhere, right? So, I will help with this, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. Here, x is so entangled inside. There's no way I can nicely do things to x. Okay, first I need to remove the fraction. Cut off the fraction, then only it's easy. How to cut off the fraction? Y equal to ax plus b by cx plus d, right? How to cut off the fraction? Multiply by cx plus d on both sides. Okay, when you do that, see, this is like serving the ice cream to the members of the family. Cxy plus dy will be equal to ax plus b. Please go to the question and see. Solve for x. Where are the x's strewn around?
Miss Priya, I
X's
got
are
my
here.
answer.
1 second, I'm explaining, right? If you intervene, it's very hard on me. Now, the x is everywhere around, right? So, but I need to bring them all together. My sole aim is if I want to solve for x, all the x's should move to one side. The rest of the equation should move to the other side. So let me subtract ax on both sides. It's all complicated. So I just go ahead and write cxy minus ax plus dy equal to b. But as I said, x is here, okay. But this is an unwanted, unnecessary term on that side, right? So subtract dy on both sides. Now we are at a point where we can solve for x, right? But x is there here in this term, in this term. Take that x as common. What is left over? Cy minus a will be equal to b minus dy. Now what do? I want only x, but that's multiplied with something else, cy minus a. Cy minus a. That's the answer. Got it?
Yes.
Arya, I'm checking your answer.
Okay.
Naman, that was not correct, right, Naman?
Yeah.
But did you understand why?
Yeah.
Okay. Arya, that was right, Arya. Can I move on? Can I move on, or there is somebody who did not understand this? Say yes or no. I'm okay with both the answers I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Devant, did you want me to go over again?
No. He
Okay.
said I understood.
Okay. Okay. How about this? This is a good one. This is a good one to take. Try that one. We are solving difficult problems. Naman, did you understand how to submit the PDF in Google Classroom?
Not really.
You have not used Google Classroom?
No, not really. I mean, I've used it before, but not to I've never actually submitted stuff in it.
Yeah, you'll have to figure out, right? Meaning
Yeah.
you have to create a PDF of your work. You know how to create the PDF of your work?
Nope.
Have you? But see, rather than saying nope, right? Did you research and find out and how to submit and stuff? For me, I need to see the PDF.
Okay. I'll get it next homework.
Yeah, no, I can give you the details. Okay, you have to use
Oh,
an app like Cam Scanner to make the PDF.
okay.
You know what that application does? It's a I don't know what to say. It's another app on the phone. Okay, using that app, you can literally you have your pages written down in a notebook, right? If you have two pages, right, just take pictures. It will create a PDF. So PDF
Okay.
file, just upload it to Google Classroom. Just press turn in and upload it to Google Classroom. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. But if you don't know, come back and ask me next week.
All right. Got it.
Go ahead. Oh, Jeevanish, you have to check your answers, my wait. Oh, wow. Very proud of you. Are you doing it by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, good. If you need help, let me know, guys. Okay, you do not understand. It's okay. I'm checking Jashwita's answer. Hold on now. Minus 2. Jashwita, everything is correct, but what is that multiplying by 2 at the end? That seems incorrect.
Oh, I accidentally did that.
Arya, is it enough? There's a problem with the signs, Arya. Any and correct. Siddharth, I'll help you. Oh, Krishiv, that's not correct. How did you do that? You cannot add 4 and Krishiv, something is really wrong. Can you tell me what you did, Krishiv?
Mm,
Yeah, ma, Shruti, that's correct, ma.
like from the start.
Yeah, from the start. I'll help you. Krishiv, you're going to help me. Tell me.
Okay. So I just multiplied y minus 4 on both sides.
Correct, ma. That is the exact thing you need to do. First, remove the fraction. Correct.
And
Okay.
I got,
Wait. Let me write it down. And then what did you do?
I wait. I divided
Divided by what?
the x.
Oh, divided by. But if you divide by x, right? Again, you're forming fractions, right?
Well, I thought the left side would just have the y and minus 4.
Come again, Krishiv. What is that?
I thought I just had to bring all the y's to one side,
Very
right?
correct. Yes, that's what you need to do. But for that, you have to bring the y's to one side means why do you want to divide by x? You have to move this to the other side. But before you move that, right, this x is outside. Let's multiply that. You got it? Serve the ice cream to the members.
So,
Yx minus 4x equal to 2y plus 3. Now, how is it easy now?
yeah,
Yeah. So how will you move it to the other side? Y. Subtract.
2y.
Yeah. Subtract 2y. Then what do you do?
Minus. Wait,
Y
no.
is here, y is here. But this I don't need on this side. What should I do?
Plus 4x.
Plus 4x on both sides. So what do I have? Yx minus 2y equal to 3 plus 4x. And you have to solve for y. Can I take y common?
Yes.
That will end up with x minus 2 equal to 3 plus 4x. Now what happens?
You gotta divide by x minus 2.
Yeah, that's it. Did you get it, Krishiv?
Yeah.
Yep. Naman, are we okay?
Yeah.
Arya, did you understand where was the mistake with the signs?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Can I
Now,
go to the bathroom?
yeah, please. Okay. I don't want to keep boring you with the same thing again and again and again and again. Okay. So let me go ahead and do a little bit different. Okay. Let's be very, I really want it to be interesting and you keep doing. Okay. Okay, let's see. I would want some nice, interesting word problems turned into equations. Okay, how about this? Okay, how do you write this down as an equation? How do you write? Oh, sorry, guys. How do you write that down as an equation? A number decreased by 7 equals 18. How? Oh my gosh, I'm not sharing, I'm sorry. A number decreased by 7 equals 18. Yes, go ahead. Shout out. You don't need to send it, please. We'll discuss first.
X.
You add 7.
It's 18.
You add 7, okay?
X
You
minus
subtract.
X minus
X
7. You
seven
minus
subtract
7
7.
equals
is
18.
equal to 18.
Yep,
Then you add 7 to both sides.
yep. And then find out X. Good job.
Yeah.
So you all know that. Okay,
Yeah.
that's a little I went back. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, how about this? I want you to be able to write the sorry guys. I want you to be able to write the equation. Okay. I just want you to write the equation. Okay. Slowly, when we start writing the equations, things become very easy. Now that you can solve nicely, solve equations nicely. We learned it, right? So this should become easy. Ayyo, I don't want to do this. No, guys. You're not able to. One second, guys. I don't know what's going on. Hold on. Yep. Now I'll come back here. Yeah, you're able to see the problem on the board. Maya is saving for a dollar 180 art tablet. She already has 45 and earns dollar 15 each week from tutoring. What you need to find is in how many weeks will she achieve her target? In how many weeks will she achieve her target? I basically guys, I really want the equation written down. Write the equation, solve, say the answer. Please write the equation. Equation should come in chat. Arya, nice to see. See, these things we did it in 7th grade, right? Slowly it's evolving. Correct, Naman. Can you solve for X, Naman? Siddharth, go ahead and write. Thanks for the feedback. Yes, Jeevan Ashri, good job. Ishan, correct, ma. Thanks. That was so
Not
detailed,
right.
Ishan. I'm checking one by one, guys. If I miss, you can call out. Shruti, correct, ma'am. Nikita, correct. So you're all getting this correct. Okay, Naman, correct. Siddharth, that was difficult, Siddharth. What is that? Siddharth, what is the equation? You've given me an expression. I want an equation.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Sreshta, correct. You should write an equation and you should be able to solve the equation to get the number of weeks.
Is it correct, no, Priya?
I'm checking. What is that? T minus
Miss Priya, can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, please go come back. Let your video be on so I'll not call you out. 25 plus. Okay. See, Siddha, this is the way I write. Okay.
Don't type the
See, I'm targeting 180, right? I'm targeting 180. I have 45. And then I keep on adding 15 times the number of weeks. So what you did was correct. Basically, you wrote down 180 minus 45 divided by 15 equal to x, which is 9. But would like to see your equation like this, Siddharth.
I know I
Got it?
accidentally typed 9.
What is that, ma?
I accidentally typed the 9.
That's okay. Let's go ahead. So now, okay, let me make it a tad bit harder, guys. Okay, let's see. If you don't understand, just respond saying you don't understand. Okay. Let me extend this question. This is not the question. Okay. No. Another plan, let's call it as B, let's call it as A. Come on, guys. This is a tad bit harder than what you solved.
I write the equation.
Yeah, write the equation.
Okay.
Equation should use only one variable. At your level, right now, we are not using two variables, okay? We will use two variables a little later, but for now, you should use only one variable.
So the answer.
Oh, you got it? Who got it? Siddhartha. Who got it? You don't have to have two variables. Naman, I really want you to write equation and send it to me. I do not want you to plug and check, plug and check. I want you to write the equation. How will you say both plans will be equal for some month? After a certain period of time, both plans will be equal. So basically,
Are we just like solving it?
yeah, so a gym plan costs 60 to join and 20 per month. Number of months I'm paying is X, let's say. This is for plan A. Same X number of months I take plan B. Okay, it just costs 35, no extra fees. 35 times the number of months. Now, how do I find out say, let's draw it into a graph. Okay. So now plan A starts at 60 and goes 20, 20, 20 for every month, right? Plan B starts at 0 but goes 35, 35, 35, 35, 35. So this is B, this is A, right? When will they be equal? At what point? How many number of months after they'll be equal? 60 plus 2. Equal means 60 plus 2x will be equal to 35x. So 15x equal to 60. So at the end of 4 months, they both are going to be equal. This is 4 months. But see what happens after that. Plan B becomes costly. Plan A becomes cheaper. So if I'm taking for 12 months, which plan should I take? The one that has a less slope. I have to take plan A. Any questions? Any questions? See, the graph brings a different perception to you. I graph this mx plus b. I graph this. But at some point they both are equal. I'll be able to find it by equating them. But after that, the slope of A is slow. It's going up slowly. Slope of B goes up very steeply. So if I want after 12 months, when you look at the graph, right, A is here, B is here. So the cost is so high for B, the cost of A is less. Right? So I will go for A if I want to have the plan for 12 months. Any questions? Let's try this one.
No.
Let's try this one. How about this? Bakeries. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, this is a good one. Okay, guys. Let's do it together. Okay, the next one you can do it. Okay, this is a good one. A bakery sold muffins for $3 and croissants for $5. Number of muffins is M. Always, if you have word problems, the first step is please have some variables. M is the number of muffins. Don't be in a hurry, guys. M is the number of muffins. C is the number of croissants. We already have two variables, which I hate, I said. We don't need to have two. They sold 70 pastries. What does it mean? Suppose M is the number of muffins. How can I write the number of croissants? If M is the number of muffins and they sold a total of 70, what is C? Tell me, guys. Muffins and croissants together, they sold 70 pastries.
Number of
Muffins is M.
croissants.
Yeah, M is the number of muffins. What is the number of croissants? You should use the same variable M.
C.
I don't want the another variable. I want to use M. 70 minus M. You got it? How many of you didn't get that? Jashwita, did you get it?
Do we solve it?
No,
Yes.
I'll help you solve. Please, I'll go ahead and solve. Doesn't matter. So, you have the number of muffins and croissants. M is the number of muffins. 70 minus M is the number of croissants. Okay, now it's time for me to frame equations. I defined all my variables. I have to frame equations. They sold muffins for $3. So the money I got from muffins is what? Number of muffins I sold times 3. That is the money I got from muffins. Plus money I got from croissants is what? $5 times the number of muffins, croissants I sold. This is the total money they made. But they are saying that is equal to 270. How many of you did not get this equation? Did you all get this equation?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay, now it's easy for you to solve because you already know how to solve equations very well. That's what I'm assuming from what we have already done last week and this week. So this will be equal to 270. Group all the m's together. Minus 2m will be equal to minus 80. M is equal to 40. Number of muffins they sold is 40. Number of croissants they sold is 30. Any questions? So even if the problem is difficult, the way you can tackle is there will be some clue. Okay, you can express everything in a single variable. If this is m, this is 70 minus m. That's the biggest clue. After that, you have to frame your equation. How to frame your equation from this one? What is the money from muffins? M times $3. What is the money from croissants? 70 minus m times 5. When you add them together, it will be 270. Ishan, did you follow?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? This one I'm going to give it to you guys. Guys, I really want to see the equation. Please don't solve. Solving is not the problem at all. Writing equation is what is more important in algebra. Okay, that goes a long way. A number is increased by 6, then the result is tripled. The final value is 12 more than twice the... First, please define the variable. The question is, what is the original number? Okay, from that question only you have to form the variable. What is the original number? So the original number is n or x. Always from the question only becomes your variable. Then once you define the variable, you can write your equation. But while writing equation, you have to be slow. I'll give you one more tricky one.
Do we only send the equation?
Do you send first the equation and solve? First send the equation and solve and show. I'll give you one more and with that we can stop. Easy ones, meaning a step up than what you solved in 7th grade. Oh yeah, I got some answers. I didn't see, guys. Let me solve as well because I don't know. I don't have solutions for these. Number is increased by 6, then it is tripled. The value is 12 more than twice. 12 more than twice the original number. I don't know, guys. 6. Sreshta, that's correct. Nikita, that's correct. Shruti, very nice equations. Jeevanashri, very nicely written. Arya Sricharan. Did you solve it correctly? Can you please, you wrote the equation correctly, but you were in a hurry to tell me the answer. Did you see, Arya?
Yeah, I think I see it.
Yeah, and I want to talk to your mom at the end of the class if you have time, if she has time.
Okay.
Jeevanashri, correct. Siddharth, it's perfectly correct. You want to solve and tell me the answer? Yeah, Siddharth. Do you want to tell me?
Absolutely.
You
I'm
can just
still
solve.
doing it.
Naman, did you get it? Hmm?
Yeah.
Not really, Naman. You did not solve it correctly. Naman, I think, to be honest with you, I think you're hurrying everything. Just slow down. Slowly, if you do, you get the answers correctly. Jashvita, correct. At the end of it, my intent is for you to get it correct in school, though. Nothing else. Oh, you. Krishiv. The x plus 6 should be in parenthesis, Krishiv. Because you're multiplying by 3 the entire thing. After increasing by 6, you're multiplying. So the x plus 6 should be in parenthesis. Did you understand, Krishiv?
Okay.
Then only it'll be right. Devansh, that's right. Inian, that's right. Okay, guys, whoever solved. Shruti, is it time for you, Shruti? Is it that you have to go?
Yeah.
Okay, if you have time, solve and go. If you don't have time, go.
I think I can solve this one.
Okay, sure. That's nice of you as well. Go ahead. A class has 28 students. There are 4 more girls than boys. So I want to know how many boys are there. A tad bit tricky. It's not hard, but you didn't solve problems like this in 7th grade. It's just an inch harder. You should be able to find out the variables properly. That's all. You cannot have two variables. Remember, at this point, you cannot have two variables. We are not yet there. You don't need two variables. If you get two variables, you're making a mistake somewhere.
What are we trying to find? Are we trying to just find the equation?
No, I told you how many boys are there. I asked you the question.
Oh, okay.
Is my answer correct?
Amma, 1 minute. I have to do this. I don't have solutions for this. There are 4 more girls than boys. Okay, classes. So, yeah, ma. Shruti, you can leave.
Bye.
Bye, ma. Have a nice week ahead. See you next week. Oh, banda, ma. Okay. Yes, Arya, it's correct, but I would like to just talk to your mom quickly. Naman, that seems correct. You'll be able to solve, right? Krishiv, I'm waiting for your answer. Sureshta, correct, ma. Ishan, correct. Devansh, that's not correct. Jeevanashri, the equation is perfectly correct. See, now you're able to write out equations in the same variable without using two variables. We will definitely do two variables very shortly in Algebra 1. But then right now you don't need it and you should not be using two variables. If you remember that, you'll get these equations correctly. Good job, Ma Jeevanashri. I've sent the form to your dad, Jeevanashri. Just let him fill and do the needful, and I will send you the Google Classroom, all those details. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, Ma. Any questions for me?
No.
Okay, Ma. See you next week. You
See
can
you.
log off, Ma. Good job, Nikita. Nice work.
I already sent my answer.
Oh, you sent. Okay, I did not see. Hold on. I'm checking. Jashvita, correct, Ma.
Can I log off, Miss Priya?
Yes, absolutely, Srishta. See you next week, Ma.
Bye.
Bye. Bye,
I
guys.
don't
Have a nice
understand.
week ahead, guys.
I don't understand.
I'm here to help. Whoever didn't understand, I'll do it on the board.
Okay.
Siddharth, correct, Siddharth. You want to solve that?
I'm almost done.
Okay.
Is mine correct?
I'll check, Ma. I did not see yours at all. Sorry. Naman. Oh, yes. Sorry, Naman. Yes. You got it?
Yeah.
Nice work. Nice work.
I log off.
Yes, Ma.
Oh, what about mine?
Bye-bye. Krishiv. I'm checking Krishiv. Yes, Krishiv, you got it right. Good job. Devansh, did you get it?
No, not really.
Okay, no problem. So I'll do it for you. So a class has 28 students, right? It also says there are 4 more girls than boys. That means what? Girls are more, right? So can I say B plus 4 equal to B plus 4 equal to the number of
The number
girls.
of girls.
See, that's it. That's the trick part. Number of boys will be equal to B.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, so now it's very easy to write the equation. Make sense?
Miss
Yeah.
Priya, is my answer correct?
12. Did you get 12, Siddharth?
Yeah. I
Good
sent
job.
you.
That's it. Very nice. Okay.
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 Bye.
Devansh, did you get bye, ma? Bye. See you next week,
Okay.
Siddharth. Devansh,
Yeah.
did you get it? Okay.
Yeah, I understood it.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Arya, I just wanted to ask you this. You were wanting to do some acceleration, is it?
Yeah, I wanted to
One
do
second.
jump.
I just want to stop the recording. What? You wanted to do geometry?
Yeah, scale.